calling the LaPorte County government. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. This call may be recorded. If you know your party's extension, please enter it now. For county clerks, press 1. For courts, press 2. Probation, press 3. For the prosecuting attorney's office, press 4. For alcohol and drug treatment services, press 5. For Superior 1 or 2 clerk, press 1. For Superior 3 clerk, press 2. Superior 4 clerk, press 3. For Circuit Court clerk, press 4. Clerk's office.
Hello. I lost a call. I was speaking with Roberta Hartz. I'm wondering if I can get transferred back to her.
This is speaking.
Okay, sorry, lost you there. When the last thing I heard was something about the last entry.
Judge Bradford declined the appointment.
Okay,
And now it's been sent to Porter County.
all right. Wait, what?
And now it's been sent, I believe, to, Pulaski County.
Okay.
To see whether or not the judge there is going to accept.
So my question, Roberta, would be: is why isn't this this Judge Bradford issues order declining appointment as special judge? Why isn't that on the actual my case as a downloadable PDF?
I can't answer that question. I have no idea what can be downloaded and what can't be downloaded from your my case. That would be
No.
question for the program.
No, ma'am. What I'm asking is, essentially, a court order is considered an automatic public record. This is, on my case, it's supposed to be available with remote access. You can go to any one of my other cause numbers and see what I'm talking about. It's a little Adobe Acrobat icon next to the court order.
Right.
So what I'm wondering is, you see, I spoke with Porter Superior Court 1, and they claim that they don't have a copy of this. And it would seem that as Ms. Kroback did not enter this on the docket until January 10th, that she didn't have a copy of this either. My standby counsel never got a copy and forwarded it to me. Stark County Prosecutor's Office didn't seem to have a copy, and Judge Bergerson's courtroom didn't receive a copy. So it says that this is file stamped November 23rd, 2020. I assume she meant 2019. That was about 2 months ago. So what I'm trying to figure out is, how do I get a copy of this court order? Since
want one mailed to you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's supposed to be, on my case, downloadable.
Okay.
However, see, as a party in these proceedings and a pro se litigant, I would have been required to receive this about 2 months ago in the mail. I'm trying to understand how Kathy Kroback got a copy of this court order, because according to
I cannot answer your question.
according to Superior Court 1, they didn't have their own copy, and they had to type up a new one, and they wouldn't be able to get the judge to sign it until tomorrow. So somebody can email me this pretty much when I get off the phone with you.
Pardon?
I'd like this emailed to me. Like,
Sure, that's fine.
Like
I'm
a-
on that.
like, and I'd like it online like it's supposed to be.
I'll give the message to Kathy. She's the one that generally handles.
Oh, you see, Kathy will try to blame it on my case, and she will say that it only applies to a court order. It looks here like Kathy fabricated the existence of a document that doesn't actually exist, and that's why it's not downloadable, because she doesn't actually have a copy.
Is there a PDF next to the document file?
No, ma'am. If I could just download it, I swear on my father's grave, I would not call you about this. If I could just not deal with you guys at all in the mornings, that'd be lovely. But I absolutely have to call you to get a copy of a document where I'm a party to the proceedings, because it's not downloaded on my case. Trust me, if there was an Adobe Acrobat icon next to this, I would just click on it and go about my business and not turn it into a week-long kind of thing trying to obtain it from the clerk's office, who's supposed to give it to me automatically. Anyway, it's supposed to be downloadable on my case as of August 1st, 2018, per a order from the Indiana Supreme Court governing electronic court records. remote
What is your
access.
email address?
Sir,
What is your email address?
sirthrogmorton@gmail.com.
SIR?
SIR like a
SIR?
knight. Yep. And then my last name. All one word, all lowercase, @gmail.com.
Drugmartin@gmail.com.
And I would have one further question.
I can answer it.
Is there some reason why all the lower level clerks I speak to in Kathy Kroback's office seem to think that courts have no records? Is there a reason why that is?
I don't understand your question, so I'm not sure I can answer that one.
I'm just wondering why nobody seems to know that as of January 1st, 2020, that there are literal rules in regards to public access to court records.
I cannot answer that question. I wish I could.
I wish you could do, because you're like number 2 in charge there, so if you don't know it, I presume nobody that works for you knows it, so.
All right. I'm going to double check your email, and I'm getting ready to send it to you. It's entitled Christopher Throgmorton Order Declining Appointment. So I have SIRTHROGMORTON@gmail.com.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay, I'm
So
going to hit send.
You do have a copy of this then?
Pardon?
You do have a
I have
copy of this?
I have a PDF next to the document that I can look on my program.
Now, is there any way you can tell me how you guys obtained that? When you received it?
I cannot. That is something probably Kathy can talk to you about. I can tell you that under my entry in the program under document files, it has a date of 1/10/20, shows a PDF sitting next to it. And it might be that that's not something that's available to you on my case, but it does show it what I'm looking at now.
Right, yeah. It is not available on my case, but it should be.
That's what I've just emailed to you.
All right. You do realize that it's 2020 and literally the legislature, do you know what somebody that overwhelms the court is? That's exactly what they're trying to prevent here. That's why they made a lot of this stuff supposed to be available online, so people don't have to come and waste your time. Just saying, you guys could look into this. Maybe apply it uniformly. Like, I got 7 cause numbers, and it's, I got like 2 of them where you guys don't understand the Access to Court Records and Public Records Act, and then the other 5 you just do things appropriately. So it's kind of confusing, where sometimes you know exactly what you're doing, and sometimes you have no idea.
Did you check your email to see if you received a copy of the document?
Doesn't look like it's come through yet.
Okay, it should. I've sent it.
Well, I mean, yeah, it should. They sent out 4 copies in the mail, and they all disappeared, so you never know. You write my name on something, and it just magically disappears or gets left on. How often do you guys look at your desk? I get told that a lot, too, that
Really? You call and requested a copy of this document. I have emailed it to you. If you're unhappy about some other things, I understand that. But
what would you suggest I do? What would you suggest I do? Is there a process to file a complaint against you guys? Who oversees you guys? Who's the organization responsible for taking a complaint based upon your activities? Does that exist?
I'd have to check with that.
So you don't even know if you can get in trouble or not? You don't even know if you can be held to account?
Mr. Throgmorton, I don't want to get into an argument.
I'm not trying to argue with you at all. I'm trying to figure out if you guys are above reprieve.
No, it does. It's with you. It's you call for a question and you want something done. We supply the information, and then you continue to go on. So I've given you.
Because I want you guys to do your job according to the law and the rule, not whatever LaPorte County's unwritten practices are. I mean, a lot of this can be solved with you guys simply resigning or choosing to do your jobs correctly. Just saying.
Okay. I'm gonna hang up though now. All right.
All right. Well, if I don't receive it, I'll just give you a call back. Maybe I can come hang out with you guys.
You should have it. I mean, I've emailed.
I should have had it on like November 25th or something, but sure as shit I don't.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.